Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Good afternoon, everybody. So welcome to this session. This is the tally session. So continue with the previous session because in the previous session we learned the basic transactions of tally. And basic includes purchase, sales, receipt, payment, and JV, general voucher also. And we almost done the transactions which is given in the tally example. So let me open my tally screen. It was the Damru Enterprises, right? Okay. In the last entry was, how I can check the last entry? Anybody? Anybody? How I can check the last entry? How can I check the last entry? Jiten, all of you was there now when I completed my example. Okay. So whenever you want to check the last entry, so there is an option of day book. I told you in the day book, you can check the current date entry, and current date is the 31st March because I passed at the end of the example, I passed the depreciation entry on 31st March. And suppose I want to check the all the entries whichever the passed during the year, then there is a shortcut key Alt F2 1st April to 31st March. Now all the entries are there. Okay. So today we are going to learn again the new things. Suppose my first year completed, right? My 31st to 25 to 26 financial is completed. Now I enter the complete entries of financial year. Now I want to set the next financial year because I want to enter the next financial entry. So first of all, make sure you are properly, I'm properly audible. And so just concentrate on that. What I'm saying you, suppose I want to enter the 1st April 26 entry. Okay. So in a voucher, I should set here the 1st April 26, but it is giving me the error. Debt cannot be above the current period. Why so? Because current period is finished. And what is current period? How you can check? Alt F2 in the gateway of Tally, you can check your current period which is running, that is 1st April 2025 to 31st March 2026. Okay, now you want, because now your financial year is 26 to 27 is going on. So you should set the financial year 1/4/26 to 31st March 2027. This is the way how you can set the your financial year. First financial year is complete. Now you should move in the next financial year. Okay, there is a one announcement for you. Like whatever the group is there, please exit from the group so that the all the assignments and every official communication will be done by the emails. Okay, so please exit from there. Is it? No, Gautam, you everything, every communication will be done by the institute itself. Okay, every communication will be done by the institute, and then all the assignments which you need to submit, it will be sent by the institute email, official email. Okay, so this is not a proper group, so you should exit from that group. Yeah. I'm going to tell you how you can uh, change the financial year. Okay. I'm going to repeat the how you can change the financial year. Okay, just move to the gateway of Tally. Move to the gateway of Tally. So when you come to the gateway of Tally, then just press Alt F2 and you should change the financial year instead of 25-26. Now your financial year is 26-27 going on. That's why you want to enter the entry on 1st April. And if again at the time of voucher, if you are getting the message like you cannot change the date above the financial year, so just press Alt F2. Set here the 1/4/26 to 31st March 27. Now you can enter the entry in the 1st March 26. Is it clear? Is it clear? Because so many students are asking. Is it clear? Okay. Now, next. Now you can enter the entry in the 1st April 26. Okay. Now, I already edit some, like insert some transactions over here. For example, on 1st April 26, on 1st April 26, you purchased 3 CPU, 2 monitors from Computer Gallery. So, first of all, you should set the date 1st April 26. Then again press F9. Then there should be one invoice number. Then party name is Computer Gallery. Control A, and material purchase. CPU, 3 CPU you purchased at the rate 13,000 rupees. And then 2 monitors at the rate 6, here should be 12,000 rupees. Then monitors 2 at the rate 6,000 rupees. Is it clear how you can change the financial year? This is the entry only to give the clarification of how we can change the financial year. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, very good. Daybook is a place from where you can check the every date's entry. Okay. Okay. Can you please show how I can pass entry for the next financial year? Okay, fine. Okay, see, okay. Again, I am going to change my period. Previously, it was 25 to 31st 3, 26. Okay, is it clear? And I passed the 31st March 2006, 26 entry. That is the general entry. Day before yesterday, like in the previous session, you all were there. Now the thing is, my period is changed and I want to pass the entry on 1st April 26. So how I can change the my period? But first you should switch to the gateway of Tally, and here you should press Alt F2, and from here you should change the period. Then 31st March 2027. 2027 only you can return. Enter. Now you can pass the entry. Now you cannot pass the entry of the previous year. See, if I would try to pass the entry of the previous year, then it is giving me the error. Because now I can only pass the entry of the current financial year, and my current financial year is 26-27. Is it clear? Okay. मैम अगर स्टॉक में डेल और एचपी दोनों का लैपटॉप होता है तो डेल लैपटॉप स्टॉक अंडर डेल, ये तो मैंने आपको पहले पढ़ा दिया था ना बेटा. व्हाई यू आर आस्किंग अगेन दिस क्वेश्चन? आई एम नॉट एबल टू टॉक एनीथिंग. Okay, so this is the entry you should pass on 1st April 26. On 1st April 26, purchase the 3 CPUs. I'm sending these entries then through the chat. Okay, 16th and 17th entry, returns from Sujit Computers. Okay, I'm sending this by chat to CPU. Now copied it and I should send via chat. I'm sending you, beta, wait. Okay, so these are some entries. Purchase 3 CPUs and 2 monitors from Computer Gallery. And everybody can check now. Please check the announcement. There is an announcement of 3 entries. Okay, in the chat box also I am going to send. See, can you check the entries which I entered in the chat box? Can you check the entries which I insert in the chat box? Can you check the entries? Yeah, Dhruv, wait. I'll give you the understanding of GST also. Wait for that. Okay, now see. Now I want to enter the entry of 1st April. What is the 1st April entry? The 1st April entry is purchase 3 CPUs, 2 monitors from Computer Gallery. So just press here the invoice number, that is bill number 001. Okay, and then computer gallery, press Control A, then material purchase, you purchased 3 CPUs at the rate 12,000 rupees and 2 monitors at the rate 6,000 rupees. Enter, enter. Now create a new reference. Okay, till date I am only give you the understanding of new reference. Enter, 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 enter. Is it clear? Is it clear? The first entry is completed. First entry is completed. Okay, now the next entry is returns to computer gallery 1 CPU 1 monitor. Returns to computer gallery 1 CPU 1 monitor. So just for that, for purchase return, you have to make the debit note. This is the new thing, new voucher in this session. So F10 is the other voucher. There is an option of debit note. Just create a debit note. Okay. F10, other voucher and debit note. To whom you want to return? Computer gallery. Then original invoice number you have to enter here. That is bill number -001. Enter, enter, enter. Then material purchase. If you created here the material purchase, then it will gives you the material purchase. It will only show you the net purchase of the material. So instead of that, you should create the purchase return account. Purchase return account under purchase in Control A. Then what you return? CPU. 1 CPU 12,000 and 1 monitor 12,000. 6,000. Is it? See, 1 CPU and 1 monitor. Now, when you press enter, 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 enter here, then there is an option of against reference. Through which, what should I select here? Now, logically, please show, tell me what should I select here? Try to answer me. What should I select here? What should I select here, please? What should I select here? Bolo, Dhruv, Jitendra, the student who are very attentive. Just like so many students are there. Dipankar, Sneha, Sarika. So many students are joining and I'm very glad you are listening carefully. And every time you concentrate on the like. Yes, Sneha, very good. Bill number 001. No, it is bill number 0001. Okay, because I want to make the returns of this bill. So there should be the against reference. And how much I am going to return? 18,018. Enter, enter, enter. Is it clear? Is it clear now? Yes, this is on 1st April because we are returning that goods. Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. Everybody answered me. I'm very happy. Very good. Very good. So this is the thing how you can now you can check in the P&L. Now you can check in the P&L purchase minus purchase return. See why it is so? Because I created the purchase return account. Otherwise, it will not show me the purchase minus purchase return. Suppose in the debit note, I selected the material purchase account. Okay, I selected the material purchase account. Then here it is not showing me na material purchase minus purchase return. So that's why you have to create a one purchase return account. Here is the purchase return account should be there. In purchase return account under purchase account, because see ultimately that is a purchase na purchase return. Now it is showing me the purchase minus purchase return. See, is it clear? And this is only for the P&L of the current year. Previous year is not. Previous year closing stock is automatically shifted to the this year opening stock. Because so many student was asking कि closing stock तो अपने आप opening में आएगा. Yes, आएगा, definitely आएगा. Is it? आया समझ में? Should I move for the next? Debit note once again. Okay. Debit note. Shankara. Shankara, to make the debit note को बनाने के लिए आपको F10 प्रेस करना पड़ता है. In from F10 there is an option of debit note. Then you should select the party name to whom you are going to return, and then purchase return account. Purchase return you have to create under the purchase. Okay, under the purchase. Then items, कौन से item आप return कर रहे हैं? And at the end of the bill, there is an option of new reference. तो हम पहले ही पढ़ चुके. There is an option of against reference. Is it clear? Shankara, now it is clear. Is it clear? Okay, now next. Next. Now the next is, here is a return. I already sent you through the chat. Sales 3 CPUs to Sujit Solutions at the rate 22,000 rupees. Okay, it's not 22,000 rupees, it's a 15,000 rupees. Okay, at the rate 15,000 rupees. Then again come to the tally and then vouchers. Then press F2. This is for May transaction. Then sales F8. Reference number is invoice number S01. Then Sujit Computers Solutions. Control A. Invoice number S01. Then material sales. And what you sold? CPUs. How much? 3 CPUs 15,000 पे, ठीक है? So 3 CPUs 15,000 rupees. Enter. Then here should be the new reference. Against reference नहीं जाएगा. Then invoice number S01. Invoice number S01. Enter, 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 enter. Now suppose returns are there. We got the returns from the Sujit computer 2 CPU. Then for sales return, what should I make? For sales return, what should I create? कौन सा वाउचर बनाऊं? सेल्स रिटर्न के लिए कौन सा वाउचर बनेगा? फॉर सेल्स रिटर्न कौन सा वाउचर बनेगा? प्लीज. ओके शंकरा, यू आंसर्ड मी. ध्रुव आंसर करिए प्लीज. फॉर सेल्स रिटर्न विच वाउचर आई शुड क्रिएट? Credit note. Very good, very good, very good. So from here again press F10. Then there is option of credit note. Enter. Now party name is Sujit Solution. Yes, Sujit Solution. Enter. Then original invoice. Invoice number S01. And date थी हमारी 1 मई. And we are going to return on 2nd May. Then here you should create the sales return account because otherwise again it will show you the net sales. So Alt C is a shortcut key to create return account. It should be under sales. Okay, sales return account should be under sales. This is only for the display purpose we are going to create. Control A. Then CPU. How much they return? कितने रिटर्न कर दिए? 2 CPU आ गए. 2. रेट तो ऑटोमेटिकली आएगा. एंटर 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 एंटर. अगेन अगेंस्ट रेफरेंस, अगेंस्ट इनवॉइस नंबर S01. Is it? Is it clear? Clear? Okay. Very good, Ujjwal. Very good. Is it clear? Okay, once again, I am going to show you the credit note. You can check the credit note from here. See. Just create the credit note, make the credit note against invoice number 01, S01. Is it? Now I'm going to save it. Now I'm sure like purchase return, sales return is completely clear, right? Now here is the option sales minus sales return. Is it clear? Should I move for the next? Should I move for the next? Now sometimes you know, here I'm going to return 18th number entry. 18. Now again in a 18th number entry, I sold sales, cash sales. Okay, how much? CPU 2 at the rate 15,000. But you cannot make the credit note of cash sales or debit note of the cash purchase. Okay, you cannot make the credit note or cash debit note of the cash purchase because see, reference will not be there now. Reference will not be there. See, suppose you want to enter the cash purchase or cash sales, then how you can enter? Again press F8, then reference number. Okay, यहाँ पे आप दे सकते हैं cash sales 01. Enter. Now party name should be cash. Then sales, material sales. What you sold? CPU 2. Is it clear? Now you can not take the say credit. You cannot create the credit note. But still, if you wish, अगर आप फिर भी बनाना चाहते हैं, वैसे तो कैश सेल्स के कैश उसमें क्रेडिट नोट नहीं बनता है, बट ठीक है, अगर आप फिर भी बनाना चाहते हैं तो अगेन कैश, देन मटेरियल सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट CPU 1. वो रेफरेंस अगेंस्ट रेफरेंस का ऑप्शन नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज इट इज ओनली अवेलेबल इन द पार्टी. सी हियर इज नॉट देयर, द रेफरेंस स्क्रीन इज नॉट देयर. अब आपका रेफरेंस नहीं आएगा इसमें. ओके इज इट क्लियर? कैश के केस में रेफरेंसिंग नहीं होती है. Okay. Now the next is, again I'm going to give you the like example of reference. Suppose paid advances to the systematics computers. है ना? अभी systematics आपका क्या है? Systematic computers is again your party. Then you have to create the party and आपने उसको कितना अमाउंट दे दिया? 50,000 rupees you paid the amount as the advances. Okay, as the advances you paid the 50,000 rupees. Okay, I should send you. These are the entries. Fine. Now we paid advances to the systematic computer, and systematic computer is our party. So first you have to create the party. Create ledger, then systematics computers account. It is our party, sundry debtor, sundry creditor, and 15 days credit. Control A. Now you have taken advances. So what entry, which voucher I should pass? Answer me, which voucher I should pass? कौन सा voucher pass करूं बताइए? Cash entry. Okay, okay, okay. No issue, है ना? This is the cash entry. Party name should be cash, sales ledger should be material sales. Completed? Okay. Now advances. So I paid some amount, advance amount to my party. So which voucher I should pass? I should pass the payment entry. To whom I paid? I paid to the systematic computers. And then here should be advance. Here should be advance. Then ADV01. This is the name of the bill, payment bill. And then I paid the 50,000 rupees. Enter, 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 and I paid by the bank. Negative cash is there. Is it clear? How I paid the advance amount to the party? How I paid the advance amount to the party? See, because Sana, one by one, I am giving the answer. Somik, wait, please. Sana, you want in the cash sale, why should you return cash instead of party name? Because cash sales is there now. I received the directly cash. So that's why I directly pass the cash sales entry. But in case, दो तरीके हैं. If your company have the policy कि cash sales के केस में भी आप credit note देते हैं, then you should create two entries. In the case of cash sales, you should create the two entries. First, make a bill, एक invoice बनाओ, party name लिख के invoice बनाओ, and then as soon as the bill passed, then cash receive कर लो. And then only you can, अब cash receive करके against reference करेंगे तो भी क्या होगा? You finished your reference, then again you cannot make the credit note. Is it? It depends upon your company policy. Now, Soumik, your answer. Payment voucher should be passed. Yes, payment voucher ही बनेगा अगर आपने advance किया है तो, right? Yeah, advance बना. See, there is no system to mark the present. Please don't write again and again. क्योंकि present automatically team के द्वारा लगाया जाता है. MS Team is a software through which we are doing the online class. MS Team will automatically mark your attendance if you attend class completely. Okay, Ashutosh? Okay. Advance entry is this one. See, this is the advance entry. Only the important and you should select advance. Okay. Is it clear? No. No. You have to like उस केस में क्या होता है कि अगर आप कैश सेल्स के केस में भी अगर आप रिटर्न करते हैं तो फिर आप बारकोड वगैरह से आपको लिंक करना पड़ता है. डायरेक्टली रिटर्न नहीं करेंगे ना. कैसे रिटर्न करेंगे बेटा, जब रेफरेंस ही नहीं है तो कैसे रिटर्न करेंगे? Okay, advances completed. Now, next day what happened on 1st June? Okay, 1st June 20th entry. On 1st June 2026, purchased from Systematics Computers. How much you purchased? 4 CPU at the rate 12,000 rupees and 2 monitors at the rate 6,000. Okay. अब बताएं आप कि अगर आप उसका परचेस करते हैं सिस्टमेटिक कंप्यूटर से, so you have to adjust the advances again. Then first F2 1st June, then F9 for purchase. Invoice number is bill number 002. Then Systematics Computers, Control A. Then control a material purchase. How much you purchase? 4 CPUs at the rate 12,000. Monitors, 2 monitors at the rate 6,000. 60,000 bill is there. Out of 60,000, he already paid us the 50,000. Then the reference only 10,000 ka khada hoga. Is it clear? 50,000 we already paid to the systematic computer. So new reference will be for 10,000 rupees. So the enter, then against reference. First you have to adjust the 50,000 rupees amount, 50,000. Then only you can create the new reference of 10,000. Make sure this is clear. ये समझ में आना बहुत जरूरी है. First of all, you have to adjust again already you paid the 50,000 rupees. Now you have to create a new reference of 10,000 rupees only. Is it clear? Neha, advance entry. Only payment की entry होगी बेटा. Advance के case में only payment entry, and in that case you have to create a one reference of the. See, okay. I'm showing you. Okay, I'm going to show you. See, this is the payment entry. ये आपकी payment की entry है. This one. And in that case, you have to create a one reference, but against advance reference you have to create. आप new नहीं कर सकते because this is advance payment. So after creating the advance payment, when you purchase it, then in that case, it gives me the method of adjustment entry screen. In that case, against reference, again that advance 50,000 rupees should be adjusted, and then the new reference of 10,000 rupees should be created. Is it clear? Clear now? Why you want to ask the question through audio? Anything like? Speak out what you want exactly. Speak out, please. What you want exactly? Come on fast. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. Anybody want to ask something? No? Anybody wants to ask something? I'm waiting, Mida. Your question is there now. You want to ask something? Okay. So that's mean advance and against reference is clear. Advance on a new reference and against reference is clear, right? No, nothing else. Jyotimal, nothing. See, advance. If I pay the advance amount 40,000 rupees, no issue. 40,000 adjust kar lo. And suppose you purchased for 40,000 rupees and you already pay the 50,000 rupees. So 40,000 rupees adjust करने के बाद 10,000 rupees again your balance will be there. तब आपका डेबिट बैलेंस रहेगा. सिस्टमेटिक कंप्यूटर्स को आप चेक कर सकते हैं. योर डेबिट बैलेंस विल बी देयर. इज इट द क्वेश्चन ज्योतिर्मय? Okay, Nilesh. Okay, Nitesh, I am going to tell you how should we saw the dates of due. Okay, I am telling you. Nahi, Neha, this is a very common mistake done by the accountants. Like when they enter the cash sales, na, they then pass the receipt in. But in the case of audit, in the case of checking, na, then the sales will not be appear. Only receipt in the sales, cash sales will appear through the receipt. I'm showing you. I'm showing you. Okay, मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपको. Ma'am, in my parent voucher portion, I am sure like you was not there in the first or second lecture, so that's why your question is, ma'am, in my payment voucher portion, it is asked to write account name. Okay, just press F12. Go to the payment voucher. Go to the payment voucher. Then press F12. And set no to the use single entry mode. Or you can press Control H. Control H. Or you can press Control H. I'm telling you through my screen. See, in the payment, somebody asked ki payment may, see, somebody asks in the payment voucher, see, there is an option of change mode. You should change from mode from the double entry mode. You should change the double entry mode. The student who is asking for the mode, like single entry mode hai, account name पूछ रहा है, so you should change the mode. Okay. Is it clear? Should I move for the next? Same thing happens in the case of sales. In the case of sales, suppose 21st entry, okay. On 2nd June, received 2 lakh rupees as advances from Deepak Computers. This is new party, okay? Deepak Computers. Deepak Computers. Then 22nd entry on 1st July. Sold to Deepak Computers. ना और कितने सोल्ड कर दिए 8 CPUs. 8 CPUs. Okay, only 8 CPUs sold किए. So what will be the entry? First you have to pass the receipt entry F6. Then Alt C you can create the from here also Deepak Computers. Enter. This is your sundry data. 15 days credit period. Control A. Then advance. D dash ADV-01 कुछ भी नाम दे सकते हैं. It's your depend upon company policy. How much you receive? 2 lakh rupees. Enter, enter, enter. Then cash. Received 2 lakh as advances. Advance. Enter. And on 1st June आपने इसे receive कर लिया. So you can check डिस्प्ले मोर रिपोर्ट्स, अकाउंट बुक्स, लेजर। दीपक का लेजर चेक करोगे तो क्या आएगा आपका? डेटर का बैलेंस क्या होता है? डेबिट बैलेंस होता है, पर यहाँ क्या आएगा आपके पास? क्रेडिट बैलेंस आएगा, बिकॉज यू रिसीव द कैश एज एडवांस। ओके, इन समबडी आस्क कि डेटर और क्रेडिटर की रिपोर्ट कैसे देखेंगे, तो कैसे देखेंगे? दिस गेटवे ऑफ टैली, डिस्प्ले मोर रिपोर्ट्स, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अकाउंट्स, आउटस्टैंडिंग एंड पेबल्स। सी कितने दिन ओवरड्यूज हो गए दिखा रहा है ना पूरी रिपोर्ट। इट विल गिव्स यू द क्लियर एंड कंसाइज रिपोर्ट। देखो आपके, और ऑल्ट F1 करेंगे तो यू विल गेट द डिटेल मोड। कितने दिन ओवरड्यू हो गया ये भी दिखा रहा है आपको। I'll tell you when I tell you, I will tell you the about the interest calculation. Then again मैं इसको थोड़ा और समझाऊंगी आपको. But right now this is sufficient. You are getting the proper aging report of the accounts payable and accounts receivable both. This is accounts payable and this is account receivable. Alt F1. Is it clear? Because see, आपने 25 में सोल्व किया था, 25 में विजयंत कंप्यूटर्स को सोल्व किया था, बट अभी तक उससे पैसा नहीं मिला है. So 441 days are there. 441 days are there. Okay. And this is 412. ये अपने आप काउंटिंग कर लेता है, but this is only 16 days because on 1st May we sold out the items to the Sijit computers, and then 16th May will be the due date, was the due date. But still we haven't received, तो 16 दिन ऊपर हो गए, 1 जून आ गई ना. Is it clear? Anybody, please? Anybody wants to ask something? Still, if you have doubt, then you can please raise the query. I am waiting. Please do it. कहाँ दिक्कत आ रही है? Please raise the query. If you are finding some problem, then please raise the query. Otherwise, I'll move ahead. I'm sure advances, new against everything is clear, and then statement of accounts, aging report. That is very important in our business. Should I move ahead? Okay. Okay, fine. Cash sales वाला बता दीजिए. Ma'am, I have pressed April, but it is showing. In the receipt payment contract, Tally provided you the two mode to enter the entry, single entry mode or double entry mode. Single entry mode means what? Cash बैंक तो आएगा ही आएगा पेमेंट और सेल्स और कॉन्ट्रा में. तो Tally will gives you the suggestion of cash बैंक और कैश और बैंक का सजेशन देगा. debit or credit side. But in the double entry mode, you have to select कि आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि क्या डेबिट होगा क्या क्रेडिट होगा. Okay, please check. Anybody else? Anything else? कुछ और? No? So should I move ahead? Completed? Okay, okay, okay. So shall I move ahead? Okay. Thank you, Nand. Thank you so much. So this is the aging report. You can check the aging report from display more reports, statement of accounts, outstanding and payable or receivable. And you can check the ledger wise balance also ledger. Suppose ABC computers का ledger देखना है. कब से कब तक का देखना है? 1/4/25 से 31/3/27 तक का देखना है. Okay. And then suppose you want computer gallery ledger. You want any like कोई भी पार्टी जो होंगी ना आपकी जो क्रेडिटर्स होंगे वो सब आपको यहाँ डिस्प्ले हो जाएंगे बिकॉज क्रेडिटर और डेटर सब यहाँ डिस्प्ले हो जाएंगे. जैसे अभी हमने बनाया था दैट इज दीपक कंप्यूटर्स. तो दीपक कंप्यूटर्स प्रोवाइड अस द पेंडिंग अमाउंट इज 2000 रुपीज. 2 लाख रुपीज उसने अभी हमको दिया है. अभी हम उसने सेल्स कुछ भी नहीं ली. नाउ suppose we sold out the 1st July we sold the to the Deepak computers 8 CPUs. So again vouchers, press F8, then 1st July, then reference is D01, then Deepak computers, control A, material says CPU, and we sold out the 6 CPUs. So still 10,000 is remaining now. 1,10,000 is remaining. See, against the reference, first you have to select the against reference against 2 lakh. Then बाकी उसका 1,10,000 अभी भी बच जाएगा. आप चेक कर सकते हैं. Display more reports, statement of accounts, outstanding, receivable. Ledger Deepak Computers. See, still 1,10,000 rupees credit balance is there. Is it? Is it clear? Next. So we completed the advances, we completed the against reference, we completed the new reference. Now discount. Okay, discount. So make sure properly listen carefully. So in case of discount, you should understand first of all, discount is what? In the case of sales or purchase, in the case of purchase, whatever the total amount is there, and suppose we purchased the items for rupees 1 lakh rupees. For 1 lakh rupees, but in that case, creditors provide us the 5% discount. and I need to provide only the 95,000 rupees. Okay, discount is what? It is only always be the reduced from the total amount. Whether it is cash sales, whether it is purchase sales. Discount हमेशा cash sales, credit sales, purchase, extremely sorry, cash sales, credit, cash purchase. तो डिस्काउंट हमेशा चाहे वो ट्रेड डिस्काउंट होगा तो भी डिस्काउंट हमेशा माइनस होता है ना, वेदर इट इज सेल्स और वेदर इट इज परचेस, इट ऑलवेज बी द माइनस. एंड डिस्काउंट आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. डिस्काउंट आर ऑफ टू टाइप, दो टाइप का डिस्काउंट होता है. डिस्काउंट हमेशा कैसे होते हैं? दो टाइप के होते हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज कैश discount. In the second one is trade discount. Okay, discount are of two types. The first one is cash discount and second one is trade discount. Cash discount always be provided when the transaction happens in cash. Cash discount always be provided or cash discount always be received in the if the transaction is cash. दो टाइप के ट्रांजेक्शन होते हैं, इधर कैश और इधर सेल्स और परचेस. इन केस ऑफ सेल्स, अगर मेरी कैश सेल्स है, देन आई शुड प्रोवाइड द डिस्काउंट टू द कस्टमर. इन दैट केस कस्टमर नीड टू पे द लेसर अमाउंट. हमेशा जैसे डिस्काउंट क्या होता है? हमेशा लेस होता है. डिस्काउंट क्या होता है? हमेशा लेस होता है अमाउंट में से. सपोज आई सोल्ड द items of rupees 1 lakh rupees to my customer, and suppose it is cash sales, then customer name will not be there, only cash, party name will be cash. In that case, cash which I received and I want to provide the discount of 1%. So in that case, I will get the amount of 99,000 rupees. So 1,000 rupees will be treated as a discount, and the discount nature is indirect expenses. Is it clear? Now just opposite. Suppose I am purchasing items on cash from my somebody else party, and I purchased the items of rupees 1 lakh rupees, but only I need to pay the 99,500 rupees. So 500 rupees is the discount, and it will be treated as an indirect expenses. Is it clear? It will be treated as an indirect expenses. Is it clear? Discount is clear or not? No, Nitesh, automatically it will be set. Automatically, no need to make some kind of settings. People, computer, sales. I passed the entry, na? 8 CPUs. See? 8 CPUs entry I passed, na? Here I passed the it's a 8 CPUs. If it is 8 CPUs, then again out of like 8 CPUs, then 80,000 will be remaining. 1,20,000 should be adjusted, then 80,000 will be remaining. If the party said कि नहीं मैं अभी आपको 20,000 रुपए दे रहा हूं, मेरा सिर्फ उसमें से 1 लाख रुपए ही एडजस्ट करिए, then in that case you have to adjust only the 1 lakh rupees, and then rest you should create the new reference. Okay. Now please answer me whether you understood the discount or not. Yes, yes. Purchase may be indirect. No, purchase may through it is indirect income. In the case of purchase, because see, अगर मैंने 1 लाख का परचेज किया, मुझे डिस्काउंट मिला, तो मुझे 99,500 पे करना रहेगा. So 500 will be treated as a indirect income. No expenses, okay? So तो परचेज में हमारा फायदा है, तभी तो वो इनडायरेक्ट इनकम में आएगा ना, ध्रुव. That's why it comes under indirect income. Discount allowed will be treated as a indirect expenses, and discount received will be treated as a indirect income. Okay, so I am going to give you the explanation on discount. 23rd, cash sales to CPUs at the rate of 15,000. Okay. Received 29,500 as with cash. Okay, 30,000 rupees होना था, 500 rupees less करके दिए. 24, cash purchase again 2 CPUs at the rate 12,000, 2 monitor at the rate 6,000. Okay, so 24,000 for above, and then total will be 40,000 rupees, but paid 39,000 with cash. Okay, so how we can enter? Same. First of all, you have to pass the cash sales entry. How? But voucher sales F8. Then F2, 1st August. Reference cash sales 01. Then cash, control A, then sales. Then CPU. Only one I am having. Okay, and let it be. हम दो बेच देंगे, खरीद लेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली एडजस्ट हो जाएगा. Then 15,000. But we received 29,500. So 500 रुपए कहाँ जाएंगे? See, जब आप यहाँ पे एंटर करते हैं, then it is asking for the item. One more enter you should press. Then alter C. Cash. Okay, discount allowed. Discount allowed. It should be under indirect expenses. Control A. Then how much percent? How much percent? It suppose percent नहीं है, तो आप सीधे यहाँ पे क्या करें? 500 rupees. Enter. So, and you should press here the minus 500 rupees. Minus 500. Okay. Minus 500. Huh? Clear? So you should press a minus. हाँ, जब आपको माइनस करना होगा तो माइनस प्रेस करना पड़ेगा. Is it? Everybody enter this entry. Okay, enter, 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 enter. So you can check now in the P&L, discount allowed is there. See, 500 rupees. Is it clear? Is it clear? Discount entry. Okay, okay, no issue. See, in the case of sales, but cash sales, okay? In the case of cash sales, suppose you provided discount to the customer. Then, first of all, you should select the items to CPU, enter, enter. One more enter should be there. After total, you should press enter. Then again, only you can select the discount allowed ledger here. If you are not having the discount allowed ledger, then create from here. Sneha, just create a ledger. Completed. Now next. Now in case of cash purchase, how we can pass the entry? F9. Then CP-01. Then again party name should be cash. Okay. And then here you can mention the party name also. Party's details also. Here. Career name or agent. What? See, everything you can define here. Then you can mention here the party name. Suppose that is Ramesh Computers. An address also. But in the party name here, you cannot select the, because this will be treated as a credit purchase. But now cash purchase is there, then CPU. Again, you purchased the 4 CPUs and monitors, 4 monitors on cash. But now again, you received the cash discount. So that is discount receipt. So when you press enter, it is asking for the item. No item is there, then again press enter. Now Alt C, discount receipt account. Indirect income. Control A. How much you are receiving? 5%. But again, it is adding. Why it is adding? Because It should be the prefix with minus sign, because always be discount is minus. Do it. Do it, please. Come on fast. Is it clear? Completed? Is it clear? Should I move for the next discount entry? Sneha got it now? Should I move for the next? I should press Control A to save. Okay, now you can check in the P&LC. Discount received is there. This one. This is discount received. Gross profit is not there. Then F12, show with gross profit. Control A. Is it clear? I'm sure your P&L and my P&L is meshed now. Should I move on the next? Okay. So make sure your P&L is properly matched. Check कर लो अपना P&L. Okay. Now the next type of discount is trade discount. Trade discount which will never appear in the P&L. Trade discount will never appear in the P&L. Please make my word. Concentrate like what I'm saying. Trade discount will never appear in the P&L. So that's mean what? Trade discount के लिए कोई ledger नहीं बनेगा. In the case of trade discount, no ledger will be there. आप ट्रेड डिस्काउंट कब देते हैं? इन केस ऑफ क्रेडिट सेल और क्रेडिट परचेज. In case of credit sale and credit purchase, it will be adjusted by the rate. It will be adjusted by the stock. Stock के rate में adjust होता है. For example, suppose, first of all, अब देखें, जब आप ट्रेड डिस्काउंट देते हैं, है ना, यह आपको मिलता है. सपोज करें यू आर गेटिंग द ट्रेड डिस्काउंट फ्रॉम द कंप्यूटर गैलरी. मटेरियल परचेज सीपीयू, आप 5 क्वांटिटी खरीद रहे हैं 12,000 में, and they are providing the trade discount 1%. So you have to adjust the 1% in the rate. Rate आपका कम हो जाएगा 1% से. But you cannot adjust with discount received. It will not appear in the P&L. So आप उसको जो है discount received account से adjust नहीं कर सकते हैं. So in that case, first of all, you have to enable the features. So again, we are going to learn the features of the company. F11 is a shortcut key for the features. There is an option of use discount column on invoices. Please check, ध्यान से उसको चेक करिए. लेफ्ट साइड में लास्ट सेकेंड ऑप्शन है डिस्काउंट कॉलम इन इनवॉइस. Discount column on invoice. Is it? So the moment you set it yes, then in that case you will have the discount column in invoice. आपके पास discount column अलग से आएगा. Now suppose you are purchasing and you are providing one reference number from the computer gallery and your date is F2 1st November. Then enter CPU. How much CPU? You purchased 10 CPU and you got the 5% discount. Now your rate will be 1,14,000 divided by 10. Your rate will be 11,400 because it is giving you the calculation 1,14,000 while 10 multiplied by 12,000 is a 1,20,000, but it is giving you the 1,14,000 because it will be adjusted from the price. Then monitor 10. Then again you are getting 5%. See, now the amount is 57,000 because now the rate will be for monitor. The rate will be 5,700. Enter. Now there is no need to select the discount account separately. Now you can check in the P&L. See, now your CPU average price is 1,53,600 average, and then it is following the weighted average method. $13 divided by 1,53,600 divided by 13, क्योंकि ये क्या करता है, weighted average method को follow करता है. Suppose you want कि यहाँ पे valuation method change हो जाए, so you can change the method of valuation from at the time of item creation. यहाँ से भी आप change कर सकते हैं. Alter stock item CPU. Then F12. Again in a F12 there is an option of standard and buying rate, standard and buying rate, and use costing and market value. Enter. Control A. मैं अभी पहले एक एक करके बता रही हूँ, costing and market valuation method. Then here is a option, the costing method is average cost. But you want कि आपका जो last cost है ना उस पे आ जाए, last purchase cost. Now you can check. अब आपका CPU कित पे आएगा बताएं. क्योंकि आपने जो लास्ट परचेस किया था सीपीयू वो किया था 11,400 पे. सो नाउ यू आर हैविंग द 11,400. सी CPU cost is 11,400. Control N, 11,400 multiplied by 30. 1,48,200 is your closing stock. Is it completed? Is it completed? If anybody is still like कुछ problem है आपको costing में तो बताइए. Because costing, you are the cost and management account. So this is very important. We didn't have. क्या नहीं है आपके पास बेटा बताएं. First of all, आपका नाम नहीं है तो मुझे नाम नहीं पता. What should I repeat? Okay. No issue. See, presently your monitor is 1,17,000. अब अगर आप कंट्रोल एन करिए, it is following the weighted average method. 1,17,000 divided by 20. What is your cost? 5,850 आपकी कॉस्ट आ रही है. इसने क्या किया है? वेटेड एवरेज मेथड पे इसने इसको लिया है. एक 6,000 का खरीदा, दो 12,000 के पर खरीदे, चार 24,000 के खरीदे, 10 57,000 के खरीदे. सो टोटल परचेज डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ आइटम. ओके, टोटल परचेज आपकी कितनी है डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स लिया इसने, है ना. डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स लिया. यहां से देख लीजिए आप. थ्री पीस पहले से ही थे आपके पास और अभी आपने कितने खरीद लिए? 17 पीस खरीदे. इन द टोटल अमाउंट इज 1,17,000. 18,000 वॉज द ओपनिंग बैलेंस. एंड इसको सबको ऐड करिए ना. 18 प्लस 6 24, 24 प्लस 12 36, 36 प्लस 24 60, 60 plus 57, 1,17,000 divided by 20. So average cost is 5,850. This is the weighted average method. I'm sure आपको पता होगा. You are the cost and management accountant. So this should be like आपको ये आना चाहिए. अब this is the weighted average method. But जो मैंने last में खरीदा था, if you remember, when I purchase at the end of the day, मतलब आज की लास्ट की जो परचेज है मेरी वो कितने पे है? 5,700 पे. सो आई वांट 5,700 पे मेरा स्टॉक आना चाहिए लास्ट परचेज कॉस्ट पे. सो हाउ आई कैन सेट अल्टर स्टॉक आइटम, देन मॉनिटर. एंड F12 में जाएंगे तो देयर इज अ ऑप्शन ऑफ प्रोवाइड यूज कॉस्टिंग एंड मार्केट वैल्यूएशन मेथड्स फॉर स्टॉक आइटम. Use costing and valuation method for stock item. Set it yes. The moment you set it yes, then you are getting this two option, costing method and market evaluation. So आप यहां से दे दीजिए last purchase cost. Or you can calculate the monthly average cost also. Enter, then control A. Now you can check P&L में आप देखिए कितना आ रहा है. अब पहले आ रहा था 5,850. मॉनिटर आपका अब 1,14,000 के आ रहे हैं. सो मॉनिटर आ रहे हैं आपके 1,14,000. 1,14,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 20 कितना आना चाहिए? 5,700. इज इट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर? Divya, Sona, Sana, you won't repeat, but I told you just now. Is it clear or I should repeat it again? Just answer me. Should I repeat it again? Costing method is a very important in your field. Costing method is very important in your field. So please concentrate on this. Costing method is very important in your field. You are the cost and management accountant. Costing आना जरूरी है. Alteration once again. Okay. See, to alter, go to the alter gateway of Tally, then alter and stock item. And suppose you want to alter in the money keyboard, then press F12. But I already press F12, so that's why it is coming in my every screen. But F12, last second feature is use costing and market valuation method for stock item. I told you na, in the previous session, I'll start the features. Is it clear? Which one, Jiten? Just press F12. Jiten, press F12. Whole process again. Whole process. Okay, okay, fine. I'm going to like, ma'am, repeat costing. Okay, Sana, no issue. First of all, please check. I purchased the items. Okay, this time when I'm going to create a, I'm going to repeat the everything. Everything means I'm going to create a new party. Create ledger, Tapan computers, and it is my sundry creditor. Okay. Now I purchased the items T-01. This is the reference. Tapan computers. Now, Tapan computers provide me the 5% discount. But it is straight discount. It is straight discount, cash discount, I already told. In the case of cash discount, you should create the discount ledgers, loud or receipt. But in the case of trade discount, press F11. F11 is a shortcut key for the company feature, and you have to enable use discount column in invoice. Is it clear, Sana? Use discount column in invoice. Okay. The moment you set it yes, you will get a one discount column. See here. Here you are getting the discount column. Now suppose I purchased the CPU 10 at the rate of 12,000, but he provided me the 5% discount. So the now rate is 1,14,000 rupees. 1,14,000 divided by 10, 11,400 is a rate. Okay, 11,400. There is no need to press minus sign. Okay, enter Same thing will be applicable in the case of sales. Enter, 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 enter. Now, when you check your P&L, now you want the CPUs should be on last purchase price, a last purchase cost, because presently your CPU is on weighted average method. By default, Tally opt the weighted average method. What is weighted average method? Weighted average method क्या होती है? Weighted average method क्या होती है? देखो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. See, अब आपने एक बार 10 CPU खरीदे 1,20,000 में, ठीक है. फिर 5 CPU खरीदे 65,000 में, है ना, क्योंकि आपने ये कितने में खरीदे एट द रेट 13,000 और ये कितने में खरीदे एट द रेट 12,000. ओके. अब व्हाट इज एवरेज वेटेड मेथड? एवरेज मेथड अब आपकी रेट क्या आएगी बताओ? रेट क्या आएगी? रेट कितना आएगा आपका? इसका जो रेट आएगा वो आएगा 1,85,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 13 और 15. सो आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? करिए, इसको डिवाइड करिए. ये आपका रेट हो गया 12,333.33. This is the weighted average method. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. देखो, ठीक है, देखें करते हैं हमें ना, लाइक हम क्या करते हैं, 2 आइटम नए बना लेते हैं, एक आइटम नया बना लेते हैं. क्रिएट आइटम हार्ड डिस्क and this is pieces. Control A. Now I purchased the hard disk from Deepak Computers. है ना, hard disk. First time I purchased 10 hard disks at the rate 3,000 rupees. Right, 3,000 में खरीदी. Again I purchased on 1st December from again same Deepak Computers. Material purchase, again I purchased the hard disk. It is 10. अब इस बार मैंने क्या किया, 2,900 में खरीदी. ओके. सो व्हाट विल बी द रेट? अब अगर आप देखेंगे P&L में तो इसने रेट क्या लिया, देखो. टोटल हार्ड डिस्क इज 59,000. 59,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 20. डिवाइडेड बाय 20. कंट्रोल N. 59,000 divided by 20. The rate is 2,950 because this follow the weighted average method. But now I want कि नहीं हार्ड डिस्क किस पे होनी चाहिए, जो मेरी लास्ट परचेस कॉस्ट है. तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, अल्टर स्टॉक आइटम्स हार्ड डिस्क एंड देयर इज अ ऑप्शन ऑफ इंस्टेड ऑफ एवरेज कॉस्ट. अगर ये ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है तो प्रेस F12. देयर इज अ लास्ट सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज you should set yes. Use costing and market evaluation method. Everybody is getting this feature. ओके. अब क्या करिए, इसको यस कर दीजिए एंड यहाँ पे ले लीजिए लास्ट परचेज कॉस्ट. कंट्रोल A. नाउ यू कैन चेक इन द P&L हार्ड डिस्क. अब हार्ड डिस्क क्या रहेगी, देखो 58,000 हो गया. 58,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 20. तो इसका कॉस्ट क्या आएगा, 2,900. इज इट क्लियर? कॉस्टिंग मेथड बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट रहती है हमारे फील्ड में. ध्रुव, जितेंद्र, राजा, सारिका, सना, सौमिक, so many students are there. I cannot call out every name because I have the around the 300 plus attendees, so I cannot call every attendee's name. But you should like understood the costing method. मुझे लगता है आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Understand? Vineet? Yes, Vineet. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. समझ में आ गया सबको? Costing method is a very important, you know. Is it clear? Okay, now the thing is, अब मेरा क्या है, ये किससे पे आ रहा है? 2900 पे आ रहा है. Now again I purchased the hard disk from Deepak Computers, and this time he provide me the trade discount. I should enable this option. Use discount column in invoice. F11 feature है ना ये. Then again I purchased the hard disk 10, but this time he provide me the again the 2% discount. Now what will be the cost? 2900 का 2% कितना आएगा? 284242 इसका कॉस्ट हो जाएगा. 2842 इसका कॉस्ट हो जाएगा. Now you can check. See in the P&L 2842 पे आ जाएगी हार्ड डिस्क का. ये देखो 30 pieces control N, 30 pieces multiplied by 2842, 85260. Is it clear? कॉस्टिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कॉस्ट एंड मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटेंट हो सब, and very soon you will be CMA. Is it? हो गया? Is it clear? Is it clear? Now we calculate the cost. Okay. Now when you sold out the hard disk, then it will calculate the profit according to the cost. जो आपने cost निकाली है उसके according निकाल लेगा profit. 2842 आपकी cost आई है. Now you want to sold the call. You want to sell the hard disk. अब F8 करें. Cash. Hard disk. Sales ledger hard disk. है ना, आपने 20 हार्ड डिस्क सेल कर दी, कितने पे? 3000 रुपए। 60,000 आपका क्या हो गया, टोटल अमाउंट हो गया। और आपका कॉस्ट कितना आता है इसका? 2842 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 20, 56840 माइनस 60,000 माइनस 56840, 3160 आपका प्रॉफिट आएगा। यू कैन चेक। इज इट? अब आप कैसे कर सकते हैं हार्ड डिस्क की प्रॉफिट कैसे चेक करेंगे? स्टॉक समरी, देन शो प्रॉफिट। ये आपका हार्ड डिस्क। इज इट क्लियर? जितिन, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर क्वेश्चन। समझ में आया? फिर फीचर नहीं है टेली में। प्लीज लाइक ask the question in a clear and concise way so that I can answer you. No, I can provide you the, I can give you the answer. Auto calculate is also with the help of Alt C. Create also with the Alt C. सब Alter C से होता है. Alter C. When you want to create the ledger, then ledger जब वो पूछता है तो Alter C करेंगे, then again Alt C creation. But at the time of amount, Alt C auto calculator. What about e-filing? अभी बहुत दूर है. 3160 profit. But see, 3160 is a profit. But previously we purchased ना, हमने किस पे परचेज किया था तो वो भी तो देखेगा ना. So that's why it is the 1.67. चूंकि हमने 60,000 में सेल किया, अब वो 3,000 पहला, ये सब आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा. इन स्टॉक वाइज अगर आपको चाहिए तो ये रहा 3160 इसका प्रॉफिट. इज इट जितेन? वी कैलकुलेट ना 3160 उसका प्रॉफिट है. देखो दिखा रहा है ना अपने आप. बट ओवरऑल तो 1000 ही प्रॉफिट हुआ ना, क्योंकि आपने जो पहले परचेज करी थी 59,000 में 20 पीसेस थे और अभी आपने सोल्ड आउट कर दी 60,000 में पीसेस. तो फिर वो आपको प्रॉफिट कैसे दिखाएगा? इसमें भी आपको चेक करना रहेगा. इज इट क्लियर? इंपॉर्टेंट कॉस्टिंग फीचर इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन टैली. हम लोग इसको रेगुलरली देखेंगे कॉस्टिंग फीचर को, बिकॉज आप लोग कॉस्ट से रिलेटेड आपको काम करना रहता है बहुत. इज इट क्लियर? We are learning the tally, so don't ask apart from the tally another questions, because I cannot give you the answer now. Okay. Is it clear? 3160 आपका प्रॉफिट आ रहा है, देख लो. Anybody else who want to ask something regarding the costing method? Anybody else who want to ask the question regarding the costing method? (3160) Saloni. 31 you have written 31600 by default. 3160. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks for the patience listening. If you have still doubt, then tomorrow we will discuss about the, yes, assignment I'll provide you. I'll send all the assignments through the, see, assignment will be sent by the institute. Assignment will be sent by the official email ID. So that's why we are going to delete this group. Day book. Okay, okay, I'm telling you. सब समझ आ गया. Okay, I'm telling you, okay, about the day book I'm showing you. This is my day book. I entered the transaction in the 26-27 financial year. This is my day book. Okay. Okay. Thanks a lot. Bye and take care.